Guys, Infrrd company is hiring for freshers. So they are hiring for the role like trainee software engineer, and the skills are required the Java or Python. If you have any knowledge in Python or Java, you can apply. It is one of the very biggest hiring and very good opportunity. So let's see the what are the roles and responsibilities and the details. So guys, here you can see in the official website that they are hiring for trainee software engineer, and department is product engineering, and employment type is full time, and the minimum experience is it's a entry level, and they are looking for here you can see a good engineering or a master's degree in technology from a reputed university in computer science, information science or information technology, year of graduation 2024. So if anyone is there like graduated in 2024 with an aggregate of 60% throughout the academics, and having knowledge in Java and Python, you can apply, and good aptitude and trouble attitude, knowledge of object oriented programming concepts, and ability and strong willingness to learn, explore, and master new emerging technologies, excellent communication and analytical problem solving skills, a positive attitude and work ethic, passionate about the web, and the desire to challenge or limit. So these are the eligibilities. So if you have knowledge in Python or Java and also concepts, you can you can apply. And if you want to apply, you have to click on the apply link button. So it will be navigated to the application form. Here you can see you have to mention your first name, last name, email, phone number, address, city, province, postal code, and country, and you have to choose your resume file, LinkedIn profile URL, and if you have any portfolio or website, you can upload here, and work experience in years, and what is your year of graduation, highest degrees, specialization, are you proficient in Java or Python, you have to mention here. So here you can see if you are proficient in Java or Python, mention here, and are you willing to work from Bangalore full time or not, you have to mention here. So, and also you have to upload your photograph. After that, submit the application. So these are the details towards this opportunity. If you are interested in this opportunity, you can apply. Thank you.